All right, guys. Here we are looking at Tesla on the weekly. As you can see, Tesla has made this continuation pattern before. Everyone thought it was dead, it was over with, and then boom. Well, we've got a breakout of the continuation pattern, which went up to all-time highs. We have now came back down and back tested this pattern. And as we zoom in, we've had the pattern drawn for months. Everyone in our Discord's paid attention, been watching it, seen it. Y'all know. Came back down and back tested it perfectly once. Made a high. Come back down, tested again. Is now in the midst of making a higher high, I believe. Sure, a lot of people's going to point out it could be a really shitty head and shoulders going on. Could be. But you got to look at some other factors before we go to throwing that out there right now. You've got the RSI come down to a level that it loves to rebound from. Anytime it taps or breaks it, we get huge rips. Anytime we get to these levels, I mean, beautiful rips. So, got to take that in consideration. It is the weekly. The MACD, one of the bloodiest levels that we've ever seen from Tesla on the MACD. The sellers are looking exhausted, and we're getting a lot of confirmation here. On top of now we're starting to lose these sellers at a support line. Tesla's had a bad go of things. You mix in a little news, blah, 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 Elon and the Doge and all that stuff. Doesn't matter. Tesla's going to turn around and be booming again. They have too much technology moving forward. Kind of the bottom for me was when they started burning Teslas and dealerships. That's when I want to be in this. This is a long-term play. Sure, you can try to play it on the daily with options and scalp some shares if you want, but this is one of those, you want to be here. You want to be in it here at an area of value, an area that's showing possible reversal of a trend. And this is what we're seeing it again. And I'm not going to give you a time frame like this is 2 months, 3 months, but as you can see, Tesla's making some big candles. It's moving quick. Tesla's got a lot of people interested at these levels. So there's my suggestion is this is, and I've pointed it out to the Discord members, but this is also going to go on YouTube. Tesla's a buy right now for me. Even if it comes back down and tests this level again or inside the pattern, I'm a buyer. I am a buyer anywhere below the 250 range. I'm a buyer of Tesla. It just is that simple. This is Tesla. It's not going nowhere. Give this thing a year and a half, 2 years. You're going to be probably at $600-700 a share. You're going to be doubling this previous all-time high. That's what the kind of thing. You got people like Kathy Woods and all them. They're still buying this shit. So load up. Now is not a time to be trying to make your little scalps. Now, with all of the political turmoil that is beating these markets down, is the time to be loading up your portfolio for the upcoming 2 or 3 years. That is going to double, triple, 500, 600, 700x your port. Okay? So, Tesla's a buy right now. That's all I really got to say on that. I mean, we can look at it real quick. We'll run through it. The daily, we're trending down slightly, but to me, I feel like we're getting some kind of falling wedge that is ultimately going to turn bullish. The sellers on the daily, where are they? They're just not mustering anything up. So as soon as those buyers come in, boom, we've already got one candle. This could be a bounce and a reversal already. Once again, RSI loves to turn at these levels. So I'm pretty confident that we're going to be back above this 200-day moving average pretty soon. So $307 Tesla's first target. We're at 250. That's a good trade in the short term, say a month, 2 months, whatever it may take. But no, I'm looking for $600, $700, $800 Tesla over the next 12 months. So there's my opinion. There's the charts to back it up. Why would you not love Tesla as a company? They're just doing great things. So appreciate it.